Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Where are we? Downtown Paphos. Quite late in the night, by the way, but it's still very, very busy indeed. Now, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to three of the most beautiful women in the world. Everyone knows that that's Miss Ochin Booth on the very end, but look, we've got another beauty called Scarlett. And she is going to walk the Cape Paphos promenade with us, and she's going to bring her mum. Look, another blonde beauty. Yes, Lady Steph. So, are you ready? But before we go, what do you want to do when you grow up a little bit more?
I want to be a YouTuber.
You want to be a YouTuber. And what do you want to do?
Makeup.
Makeup. Hair, makeup, nails, those kind of things?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you fancy. I got a feeling you are a future YouTube star. All you got to do is stick to it and keep doing it, and I'm telling you, you will be very, very successful. Should we go for a walk?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute. Without further ado, Marika Booth.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again in this beautiful luxury atmosphere with a lovely girl. She's Scarlett, and you know what? Very soon I think she's gonna teach me how to do makeup, nails and other things. And your lovely mom by the name of Stephanie.
Yes,
It's always been my favorite name, Stephanie, actually the same, if I understand rightly, and really one of my favorite names. And we are happy to say that we are having a wonderful evening together with a company of beautiful people from in and out. They're coming to see us, they're valuing us highly, and we appreciate it from the bottom of our two hearts. Didn't we, Mr.
We do indeed. Princess Scarlett, come on, let's go and have a look. Let's walk the downtown Paphos Harbour and show you one or two bits and bobs along the way. This is the Da Vinci. Hold on a minute. We've been accosted. We've just started off and we've been accosted by some people from downtown in Poland.
Really? You're great. It's Tomasz. My husband.
Thomas, pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Agnieszka.
Agnieszka, pleased to meet you.
We're
You,
from Poland.
I understood.
I was watching you.
Yeah, you have got your own blonde beauty.
Yes, you
Look at
have,
that.
You have your own blonde.
You know,
Masz tę blondynkę.
I know kocham ciebie bardzo. Kocham ciebie bardzo. I know this means in Polish, I love you very much. This is what I know. And dzień dobry, even though Mr. Paul says dzień dobry, it's like sizzling dish or something. We love it.
Dzień dobry, Lady Anna, my superstar. Thank you very much for watching us, by the way. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I saw, let me say it on camera, I didn't know these people were standing and watching as we were introducing ourselves in the beginning. Now, the man, this lovely man, was saying to this beautiful girl, saying, go, and
Yes, and say so.
she didn't know how to come because she's gentle, and maybe you've done well. Thank you. Give me your five.
Thank you very, very much. Have a fabulous, fabulous holiday. Have a fabulous holiday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Absolute stars. Now, without further ado, we've interrupted the little video of our little princess. There's Princess Charlotte. She's glistening. Look at her. She's got a smile. She's going to be beautiful. She's already beautiful. And when she starts that YouTube channel, it's going to go and shoot for the stars. There's no doubt about it. So, Marika Booth. We can't go anywhere, can we?
You can't take me anywhere,
No, can't.
Mr. Paul. Probably that's because we are now many blonde beauties. I'm not the only one. Look at this blonde beauties.
We've got one, we've got two. In fact, she's not just a beauty, she's gorgeous and she's a princess. And we've got a lady on the end as well, who's her mum, obviously. That's where the looks must come from. But look, she is absolutely spectacular. Don't forget to look out. We don't know what the YouTube channel is going to be called yet, but I think Scarlett might be in the title. When she sets it up, we're going to let you know the name, and you are going to go and tune in and subscribe. Please, please, please do. And I got a feeling that that's going to be one of the channels of the future on that little platform known as YouTube. Of course, YouTube now is growing and growing and growing. I think rumours are afoot that it's the biggest video platform in the world. So if you want to be a YouTuber, why not set up a channel? Think of an idea that you can repeat over and over and over, but with some little peculiarities in it each time, and of course people will keep coming back and watching as you perhaps strut your stuff through the downtown Cato Paphos promenade and harbour area. It's quite late in the evening, by the way. All these guys have had some great meals and some great drinks. We've got quite a few people in the Pelican restaurant that we're sitting with, and this is one of those families, and they're all sitting there waiting for us, so we'll probably say a big hello to them towards the restaurant area. First restaurant on the block, by the way, is this one, the Nautico, and of course it's still quite busy even at this time of night. Yes, Chrissy?
I was just start to tell Scarlett where I monkeying around.
Right, here we are. So Scarlett is going to have a lesson in how to monkey around on a wall. John Ricey, if you're watching, put your heart in your mouth.
I'm not a girl of like you know, and I'm risking to break one of my two legs. Luckily, I've got two. So sometimes
There we go.
when I
Just have a look at the wall, by the way. See, it's actually rounded. Just so you understand, it's not actually flat. It is actually rounded. So you've only got that bit. Here we go.
On it. Unfortunately, today I'm not in that suitable shoes. If I had my Crocs, which I really love, I brought one pair of Crocs from Georgia for me. They are light blue with the ribbon bows on
They've got like
them.
bows in them, haven't they? Yeah.
And I love the Crocs. In the certain places I will really put it with pleasure, and I would be walking here like a
Well,
monkey.
why don't you hold Charlotte's hand so she doesn't fall into the blue Mediterranean Sea, and let's see if she can walk the wall of death of Misochi and receive the booth. Here we go. Absolutely spectacular. Look at that. We've got two booths in the downtown Cato Paphos Harbour. One's a little bit younger than the other one, that's for sure. Absolutely spectacular. Don't forget, if you do like what we see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of our complete and utter madness, of course, as we take you on our crazy walk of wallings in and around downtown Cato Paphos Harbour. If you want to walk on a wall, well, you come and charm Chrissy with the booth, and she'll make sure that you walk it. There we are. Big round of applause and celebrations. Three blonde beauties walking in the downtown Cato Paphos Harbour. Spectacality of an evening indeed. All that's missing is you. You know what's going on in Paphos? The sky, it's always blue. The sea, it's always blue. Mr. Paul is dressed head to toe in blue. All that's missing is you. Oh my goodness. Could be a rapper, you know, if you wish. Hold on. There's some other superstars walking through the downtown Cato Paphos promenade and harbour area. Oh my goodness. It's getting busier and busier, even though it's getting quieter and quieter, because of course the clock is ticking. And the harbour. What time is it? Let me give a quick check. What actually time is it? There we go. 10:10 at night. Most people have now, should we say, stuffed their bellies, and now they're supping on a pint or two. Perhaps if your name is Sir Billy, yeah, and Lady Angie. Hold on, go see the booth.
And one of these parts of this beautiful pathway, I remember how me and Dali were dancing on one of these lovely places. The Chichotka. You remember how we did dance?
Do you think you can do it again?
Of course.
Right, come on.
We can do it anywhere.
Big shout out to my cuz, King James, and a big shout out to his queen, Queen Kareen. And if you're a king and she's a queen and you've got a daughter, that must mean she's lighting up like a Christmas tree. Big shout out to Princess Darling. Here we go. Now we've got Princess Charlotte and of course Ochin Vasily out of booth. And they're dancing like crazy on, what should we call it, a little raised platform in the centre of the downtown Cato Paphos Harbour. Come on, get yourself on a big bird. You know you want to. Hunt for that special holiday and jet yourself into downtown Cato Paphos.
You see? 1, 2, 3, good girl.
There we are, absolutely spectacular. So not only is she going to be a makeup star, a nail star, a dancing on a wall star, and now she can dance on a platform in the downtown Cato Paphos Harbour. I bet if your name is Princess Tracy, you're missing us like crazy. Now, talking about people in the Cato Paphos Harbour, there's a man with the spectacality of a beard indeed. This is Dexter. Dexter, this is Lady Steph. And this is a future YouTube star. This is Princess Scarlett. And this is Archie Gracilla Booth, by the way, just in case you didn't know.
Nice to meet you.
I always ask you, have you had a busy night?
Yes.
I thought you had. Are you having a busy day as well?
Yes, I had.
Are you working tomorrow?
I am indeed.
Saturday?
Yes, Saturday morning.
Sunday? Off.
No, Sunday, only in the night.
Ah, right, so you get a bit of a rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd put that beard to work. That's what I would do. Every day, every single day. Dexter, you have a great, great night. Have a great, great night. Absolute star and a legend in the downtown Paphos Harbour. That's the gentleman in charge of Steve's. And of course, if your name is Lady Helen, that's her favourite bar in the downtown Paphos Harbour. And we had a great honour and pleasure to meet her in the Manara Bar not that long ago. Manara Bar, by the way, is a live music and events bar in downtown Cato, Tomb of the Kings. And if you're looking for a great time, that's the bar to go to. This is the Jill Alamo. And that, by the way, was set at the castle, but I was too busy chatting. Yes, Gracilla?
I think we should show Scarlett one of the Georges, which I smashed up his brain one day. Should we go?
Go on then, let's go and have a look. Let's go and find George the Lobster. And on that note, a big, big shout out to Lady Zena, our Sir Kev, and of course, that little prince, Prince Lorenzo. You're a good boy, and you never know. You might be coming together, Paphos, very, very soon indeed. Now look, let's go and have a look. Is there a lobster in there?
Yeah, Mr. Paul, don't ask me to take it in my hands now, because I'm scared.
There he is. What do you think of him, Scarlett?
It's running away. It's running away.
George, you get to live another day. There we go. He's back and now a bit more relaxed. Wow, absolute star. And we've been joined by another member of the crew. And we brought the little gangster. Jensen, look at this. Jensen's arrived. He could be the greatest Formula One driver in the world. Does he fancy a lobster? Yeah. Let's have a look. What do you think, Jensen?
Have you seen it?
No? George, you get to live another day. There you go, back into your trough. Let's keep going down the downtown Cato Paphos Promenade. I'd like you to keep on coming. Superstars after superstars. I'll tell you what, if you want to come and join us, why not? Or perhaps you just fancy joining us at the Pelican restaurant, which of course is just coming up very, very soon indeed. And there's 1 or 2 stars in there waiting to say a big, big hello to you. There's a girl who likes a little bit of brightness in her life. Lady Whitney, welcome to Paphos.
Thank you.
Are you having a good holiday?
Yes.
Yes. And of course, if she's in town, she's brought with her the man of her dreams, although she's not smiling. Oh, she's smiling again now. So, Jace, hello. Welcome to downtown Paphos. You have a drink or two, and we'll be back very, very soon indeed. Absolute stars and legends in downtown Paphos. This is the little family. There she is, Princess Scarlett. Did you enjoy your little walk?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to be a YouTuber? That's what we like to see. We do. Lady Steph, thank you very, very much. We thank you, Princess. You will be a star. And we're going to say a big, big hello to this man who we saw on camera a little bit before.
Hello.
This is Sir Jamie. He's all dressed in blue, but you remember he hasn't got blue boxer shorts on. And it's his gentleman's birthday on Sunday. He's going to click across to the Magic 60. And as we were discussing before, if only they had these things around when we were a little bit younger. Well, I mean me, because then I wouldn't have got black eyes from my father. He'd have given me one of those. We're going to say thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click that subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that like, smash it. And don't forget to go and hunt us down the Buy Me a Coffee platform. Let's get a big, big goodbye from Princess Scarlett. Can we get a big goodbye? Big, big goodbye. Big, big goodbye from her mum, Steph. Thank you very, very much indeed. Receive it a booth.
I would like to say a huge thank you to all these people who really come and seen us And I imagine if we were even bigger and bigger, these people coming and seeing us, you know, they valuing us highly, and we appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. We wish all you be well, good, having the best holidays you ever had, and thank you very much for coming and presenting us such a beauty and happiness in the life. Because you're amazing, Scarlett. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Steph. Starlet, you are a star. Keep your head down, and you are going to be the greatest YouTuber in the world. There's no doubt about it. We're outside the Pelican restaurant. Could be the greatest restaurant in the world, and we're going to say thanks for watching.
This is what you need for the happiness. This is what you need for being happy all over the night, or even through your life. You'll take all these sweet memories through your life, and you will never forget such a beautiful, amazing and sweet moment. So we're loving and kissing you from the bottom of our many, many, many hearts. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and of course we will look forward to seeing you again very, very soon indeed.